What is the process for transferring my Apex Legends account from PS4 to PC?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to talk about a common question among Apex Legends players. How do I transfer my Apex Legends account from PS4 to PC? This guide will walk you through the process step by step.
Can I transfer my Apex Legends account from PS4 to PC?
Before we get into the process, it's important to understand the current policy of EA, the company that owns Apex Legends. As of my last training cutoff in September 2021, EA does not support cross-progression or account transfer between different platforms for Apex Legends. That means you can't directly transfer your account from PS4 to PC or vice versa. It's a bummer, I know. This is largely due to platform policies and issues with player identity management.
What can I do then?
But don't lose hope just yet. Even though you can't transfer your account, you can still play Apex Legends on PC. You'll need to create a new account and start from scratch, though. Your progress and purchased items on the PS4 won't carry over to PC.
How do I start playing on PC?
To start playing on PC, you need to follow these steps. 1. Download and install EA's Origin client on your PC. You can find it by doing a quick search on any search engine. 2. After the installation, create a new Origin account. If you already have an account, you can just log in. 3. Download Apex Legends from the Origin client. It's free to play, so you won't have to pay anything to get started. 4. Launch the game and create your new character. Unfortunately, you won't have any of your PS4 progress or purchased items.
Any other alternatives?
At the moment, there's no other alternative to transfer your Apex Legends account from PS4 to PC. We'll have to wait and see if EA changes their policy regarding cross-progression in the future. And that's about it. It might not be the answer you were hoping for, but that's the current state of things. Despite this, I hope you'll enjoy playing Apex Legends on PC just as much as you did on PS4. Remember, it's all about the gameplay and fun. Happy gaming!